In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix pending delivery confirmation on Dhgate 225. If your Dhgate order is stuck on pending delivery confirmation, here's how to get it resolved quickly and safely. Start by opening My Orders and going into the order details page for the purchase you're concerned about. Copy the tracking number and check it on the Dhgate tracking page. For a second opinion, you can also paste that number into a universal tracker like 17Track or AfterShip. If every tracker shows delivered, keep watching for what to do next. If the status still shows in transit or there's no update at all, jump ahead to contacting the seller, because the system may not be ready to confirm delivery yet. If you actually receive the package, the fastest fix is to confirm it manually. Go back to My Orders, open the order, choose Confirm Delivery or Confirm Receipt, and submit. This updates the order immediately, releases funds to the seller, and completes the transaction. Only do this if the item truly arrived and matches what you ordered, because it's difficult to reverse after confirmation. Sometimes the platform needs a little time to sync. If tracking shows delivered but the order still says pending, give it 24 to 72 hours for Dhgate's system to catch up. During this window, refresh the order page periodically and try logging out and back in on the app or in a browser. If nothing changes after that short wait, move on to contacting the seller. To contact the seller, open the order and click Contact Seller. Send a brief, clear message such as, "Hi, my order shows delivered, but it's still pending delivery confirmation. Could you help update the status?" or contact the courier. Many sellers can nudge the status internally or verify with the carrier and speed things along. If the situation is stuck or if tracking says delivered but you didn't receive the package, open a dispute. Go to My Orders, select the order, choose Open Dispute, then pick Item Not Received or Tracking Issue, depending on your case. Upload screenshots of the tracking results to support your claim. Dhgate typically responds within 3 to 5 business days. Finally, keep an eye on your buyer protection timer on the order page. Do not let it expire. If the remaining days are running low and your order is still pending or disputed, open a dispute immediately to protect your money. Follow these steps in order, escalate when needed, and you'll resolve most pending delivery confirmation issues on Dhgate with minimal hassle.